The hydraulic press is being ready. Oh, after 4 years, this is happening. I'm excited. These are the Timsun TVA tires. I've been using them since 2021 and they've run their course. Even though the tread is pretty good on these, they are still showing signs of wear. So it's good to change them unless you want to take that risk and do a slide during your trips or during your commute. There you go. Having a hydraulic press makes things very, very convenient. We're just beading the tire right now. Now the same process on the other side. And you fit the tire in the machine. Make sure it is snug. A normal soap solution so that the tire doesn't get cut and comes out very, very easily. There you go, done. That's the rim. Now, for all those who've been asking me about the quality of the Outex tubelet kit that was installed at Speedmonks on 2021, this is it. It is pretty good. It has been flawless ever since and I've had no problems whatsoever. These tires would weigh about what, 2 to 3 kilos, that's it. This is awesome. These are Trailhound SCR road tires, 80% road and 20% off-road.
अब ये टायर प्रोडक्शन में है या नहीं है?
प्रोडक्शन में है।
स्टॉक में आ गया या नहीं है?
स्टॉक में आ चुका है, या
मतलब किसी को परचेज करना होगा तो मिल जाएगा।
Yep. Just fill airs, there's a pop. Another one, it is tubeless compatible. And then put the valve back.
कितना प्रेशर कितना रखना है?
32.
32 and 36.
हाँ. And because we have installed Outex in this, just a procedure to check for any leakage in it. But the tires do look good. Do comment and let me know what you think about it.
ठीक है सर.
No leakage. Put the spacers between them. We put the odometer sensor. Then insert the axle rod. And out comes the axle rod like that. So right now, वो लोग अभी सिर्फ stock size ही बनाते हैं, which means 100 front or 130 rear. If more people choose to watch this video and demand a 150 section tire or a 120 or a 110 front tire, then maybe Eurogrip can produce that on demand in bulk. That'll be really, really awesome if you guys can do that. Put the pinch bolts back on. And I really love the tread on this tire. What do you think? And torque tied the axle bolt, which is 70 Newton meter. Put the ABS sensor back on. अच्छा, ये पिन चेक करनी है कि ग्रीस है कि नहीं इसमें?
हाँ कर देते हैं. सही था वो टाइट पता है किस वजह से हो रहा था? वो आपकी डिस्क वेयर आउट हो गई है ना?
Yeah.
तो इसी वजह से टाइट हो रहा था वो.
There are cobwebs. जाले पड़े हैं मकड़ी के इसके अंदर बीच में. when we have opened the brake caliper, might as well do it. Remember, re-grease the brake caliper pins so that the floating caliper can do its job flawlessly and your brake pads do not get worn out unevenly. Just press the brakes a few times so the caliper catches the front wheel. Another use of zip ties, remember. Front end is done. Let's do the other end. Now we secure the front end. Let's open the axle bolt. It's loose. And use a rubber mallet to take the axle out.
Rubber mallet and another axle.
And another axle to make sure it is out completely. Now it is a little tricky to take the rear tire out because the rear tire is upsized. It's not 130 section, it is 150. And I am going back to 130 section. Remove the chain guard so that you get some wiggle room. Just move the rear tire back towards you. Aye, almost. Heavy. Yes, yes. तभी तो.
50 section है, अगर 130 होता तो easily आ जाता.
That's one disadvantage of having a upsized rear tire. And the main reason for me to change the tire is because this is now showing signs of wear. You can see closely, this is beginning to get cut. Even though the tread seems okay, but it's been 5 years that I've been running this tire and now it's time to change these. I will be using the Eurogrip Trailhound SCR tires. These are stock size, that is 130, 70, 18-inch tires. This is an H-rated tire and the manufacturing date of this tire is 52/25, which means this is December, which 52 is the 52nd week of the year 2025. That is December last year, which is not that old if you think about it, this being March. And the tread on these tires is pretty nice and chunky. These might look like off-road tires, but these are not. These are 80/20, 80 road, 20 off-road. And this is very, very light. Look at that. It's only what? 3 kilos, I would say. Open the valves. Obviously, I can't help myself. Just fit the tires on the press. And out comes the rear tire. This is the outex on the rear tire. Now there was some repair work that was done earlier on, but now it's fine. This repair worked because of my stupidity that I got the spokes tightened knowing that outex had been installed. But anyway, this is pretty good. काफी soft टायर है and 36 psi. 1, 2. Done. 36 psi. Done. And let's check for any leakage. Be patient with it. There is no leakage. So these are your coupling rubbers and you need to change them once every 25,000 kilometers. This is purely because all the load while your motorcycle is in motion comes on these rubber parts, and if they place a little too much, you can be in an accident and all that. So make sure to replace, inspect and check these once every 25,000 kilometers and you're good to go. And now we'll see how difficult it is to put the rear tire back on with stock size, that is 130 millimeters. You put the spacer back on and then slide the chain back on the sprocket relatively easily. We're just placing a wooden block under the tire because now the tire has been downsized from 150 to 130. As a result, the tire has to be lifted a little bit up for us to put the axle back on.
Slide करना है.
Take it. Grease the axle rod and now you see there is a considerable gap under the tire. Almost done. Done. This dot is in center, which is also there on the other side. See that? Tighten the axle nut.
तो आप सेंटर स्टैंड यूज तो कर पाओगे.
The bay needs some WD-40. Okay, Ajay has taken the bike for a small spin to test everything is okay or not and to test the new tires. And this was the video of installation of the new Eurogrip Trailhound SCR tires. Do let me know in the comments what you think about this video, and if you are a new viewer, do consider subscribing, and if you genuinely like the video, a little thumbs up goes a long way. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sri. I'll see you in the next one.